Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. 16th of July, I made this chart, gold weekly chart. And I said that it is dropping powerfully, but it's going to stop here and then go up. And I said, watch 1684 for a bounce. And this is 1684 right there. This is 1684. And this 61% of this also 1689. So I said, we're going to drop a little bit more and then bounce. First stop would be 1802. If we break that, we will go to 1912. If not, then we will see. So the first stop was 1802. Second was this. So once we get to that first stop, which is, let me show you that how we got there. This is how we got there. On 13th August, I made another chart where you can clearly see that we bounced from exactly 1684, 82, right? Or 88, 89. What was the number? I don't know. And then we went up straight up to 1802. Then I made another chart on the 13th August saying that if we break and go above 1802, then we're going to go to 1912, but chances are that we're going to drop back to 1752, 1750, and then bounce and go to the upside. So I had a doubt that it's probably going to drop from there and then go up. So let's see that if the drop happens or not. So now what happens is that this is the current chart. You can see that exactly from 1802, we drop straight to this number. So far, we are at 53, 1753. 1752 is this number here, right? So this is the new chart I made just now. Now, the thing is that on a weekly chart, it is very hard to understand what the heck is happening. Is it bouncing or not, or what's up, right? So how you get in? I use my 40-minute chart, 20-minute chart, my Renko charts to make the entries. So I have my own setup, but you look at a 40-minute chart, for example. Let me show it to you. My 40-minute chart would be like this, right? So it start dropping from, this is 1802. It dropped 1802. We broke below 1786, which is, let me show it to where it is. 1802. No, 1786, sorry. 1786 is right there, right? So we drop below, where the heck is that? All right, so we drop below that. Oh, 40-minute chart was up. Now, we dropped below 1786. Then we went up, we tested it, right? And then start dropping all the way to 1764. Where the heck is 1764? Let's go take a look. 1764, right there, right? So 1786 to 1764. Then what? All right, so 1764, we were like playing around, went up. It made my 40-minute short setup and start dropping. Where? 1752. It is there. I just made the chart. Our current chart is like this. You see this chart here? Oh, yeah. It is at 1753 right now. Okay. So this is where it's going to be coming. And what is happening here? What is this X, A, B, C, D? So you look at it on your left. This is the butterfly pattern. I call it ending butterfly. Why ending? Because usually it ends the move, either up or down. So this is the down move from 1802 all the way down to 1752. And this is what it's making. So now the live chart is this. So you got, oops, 40 minutes. Right. So see, it's coming nicely. Now, another thing to note is that we have a very nice divergence here. This is my divergence indicator. And you can see the price is making lower low, but this indicator is clearly higher low. It refused to come down with the price. So this is exactly where this is 161. This is the butterfly calculation, by the way. Butterfly calculation, you can see that it's XA, then B, supposed to be 78%, C, supposed to be either one of these levels. Usually it's 78, 38, sorry, 38, but sometimes it goes all the way to 23% line as well. Then it dropped to either 127, break that, it goes to 161, and then bounce, right? So CXAB exactly at 78%, C 23% line, and then D, we broke below the 27, and now coming to this 161%. So live chart is like this. We already hit 161%, but just below that, this huge level is, right? So it might be touching that, and then I think 95% chances, according to my calculation, that is going to bounce from here. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show, that, you know, be ready. Whatever the system you have, my subscribers, you have 20-minute chart, right? Go 20-minute charts to make the entry. Take a look at that and be ready. All right, just start watching that for a long setup. Everybody else, if you have, I'm gonna make this video public. So everybody else, whatever the system you're using, just be aware that 1752 might be giving a nice bounce. Okay, so this is what I just wanted to show everyone. So bye for now, and hopefully talk to you guys later.